Hey planner people, back again with another unboxing, and this is really something different than I've ever had before, so I'm pretty excited. I do have blue fountain pen ink on my hands if you saw my last video. Anyway, I just want to tell you that, usually I like my Gillios. I have mine here set up. But, I was going through Instagram one day and I was scrolling and I saw a post that really caught my eye, and the brand is called Notiq, and they just were showing kind of what was on the horizon. They were going to do a release, and I was like, oh my god, I have to get one of those and check it out because it's so pretty. So after it was held hostage by FedEx for 8 days, it finally got delivered to me. And full disclosure, I have 2 boxes here. They're the exact same planner, just in different sizes. So I'm going to put this one aside for now. And let's just look at this one. This is the one I ordered first. And then, I'm kind of being wishy-washy right now about my planner size. So they only had, like it's one of those websites where it'll tell you how many are left. And I was thinking, God, what if I really want that personal wide? And there's only 4 left. So I was like, shit, I might as well get it. So I did. And luckily they're not expensive like the Gillios are. So, okay, this is the first time I've had a Notiq. So let me just take all this out of the box and see what they have included. This is a nice envelope that, ooh, you know what? I would totally keep this and put stickers in it and then slip that in a pocket somewhere. So this is a nice little note from the founder. And I'm pretty sure it's not like actually individually handwritten, but it's still nice. And then they give you some nice paper. Notebook paper, and their mission statement. I just showed you my address, so don't come visit me. This is really pretty tissue paper. This is kind of like paper I would save because, what is it about places that want to give you pretty tissue paper, but then they put a sticker on it? Like, can't you use something that will come off? Come on, man. All right, well, I'll salvage as much as I can, but it's really cool looking paper. I like the design, but I will save that. All right, and here we have a nice dust bag that looks kind of like it's a tan, or I don't know, either a dusty pink or a tan or sand color or something. It's got the Notiq sticker on it. Oh yeah, look at this. Is lizard print, which I have a lot of Crocs from Gillio, but I saw this lizard print and I was like, oh my god, that is stunning. So I really wanted it, and I'm really glad that I got it. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, so I'm going to try to get this up close. Obviously, this is not real lizard. So this is not leather that's stamped or anything. It's just a man-made material, which is fine because that's why the price was much less than a Gillio. It looks good. It's got the Notiq branding on it, or their logo. And then on the inside, they have Notiq in gold. It's like a little card here. Gold rings, and I'm happy to see that the rings have screws, so if the rings go wonky, you can buy new rings. That's a huge bonus, in my opinion. But look at how cute that pocket is. It's like kind of got a little dip in there. Can you see that? And then, so here's a slip pocket, which is nice. Another slip pocket here. There's a secretarial, and then all these card pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card pockets. There's no big back pocket, which is okay with me. So I'll get that closer. You can see it. I think that's really pretty. These rings are 30 millimeter, which I'm finding is necessary for me. Why don't I put my stuff in it and let's see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, I don't know about you, but I think that looks beautiful. Look at that. I really like it. So I don't think I will have any trouble at all using this planner. Matter of fact, I might just stay in here now. So let's just kind of take a look-see. I guess I could, you know, there's things I can put in here, but there's, you know, plenty of room with the 30 mil rings. So I always say mil, but I mean millimeter, so you know what I mean. I just think that looks really good. I will tell you that it does not lie flat right now. I'm hoping that once it's broken, it will. So, but you know, it's brand new, so I expect it to be kind of stiff, and that's really pretty. So let me just open up the other box and let's look at that one. Okay, so once again, we have this really nice, what is this material called again? Glassine or something like that. Oh shit, I ripped it. Crap. Another note, which is probably the same note, just on different colored paper. Here, I'll hold it up so if you want to read it. Sorry about my fingernails, guys. It's just my life. Some more note paper, which is always appreciated. And the mission statement. And I love this tissue paper. You know, it's really sad when you're excited about tissue paper, but that's just what stationery people are like, right? Paper is paper. Yeah, so they have this same one in a personal wide. So, you know, I'm kind of going through this whole, I don't know what size I want. God, I just love it. Oh, there's like plastic over there. Is there one on this too? No, there's no plastic on this one, but there's plastic on this one. Okay. But, you know, even though there was no plastic, it was not scratched. So it looks okay. It's really beautiful, guys. I love it. So now comes the dilemma. What size do I use? Look at, so this is what happens when I decide I'm going to switch sizes. I go all in and then I get nervous, and I even have some more here. This is from Creative Tidbits, and I've been really, oh no, this is not Creative Tidbits. Sorry, this is for my personal size. G Papery. I'm going to call them G Papery, even if that's not how you pronounce it. So I struggled with that in one of my other videos. So I have all kinds of papers now, and the ones I was super stoked to try are these from Creative Tidbits. Looks like I ordered some. I don't know what I did here. I think I have some B6s because I might have bought some for my cloud planner. Yeah. But hopefully I have all the same ones in the personal wide. So let's look at these. I just love these. Aren't they pretty? And I just don't think they would be as nice in personal size because the columns would be too narrow. Look at how nice they are. Okay, so I got one set of those. And then I just love the size of the squares on this monthly. And actually this monthly does not come with the grid on it. But she says if you need anything changed to let her know, and she could probably do it for you. And I asked her if she could just overlay a grid on it, and it turned out fantastic. So I like that. And then what else did I get here? Yep, and I wanted to try these. So I'm guessing that in personal, these would work a little better than the last weeklies that I just showed you, like these. Because you only have 2 columns, so the space would just be smaller on a personal. So maybe if I choose to stick with personal, I'd want to order these in personal. But I really liked I'm a huge fan of the vertical planning, and then I really like these little sticky note things at the bottom because you can like do weather in there or whatever. So I thought those are cute. And what was this? Oh yeah, here's another set of the weeklies. So those are super cute. Let's put them in there. Yeah, I almost feel like the B6 could fit. I mean, I think you could totally use the B6 in here. Let's just try it. If you wanted to do it, you could. And then we'll just pile the personal wide on top. I'm sure these are 30mm rings. So, oh yeah, see? Now, if you're the kind of person that would be bothered by it coming right up to the edge, and of course, if you had tabs, I should probably show you. So if you're the kind of person that would be bothered by this, you know, B6 would come right up to the edge, and you'd have to use top tabs or your tabs will stick out a little bit. But you could pull off a B6 in this planner. I just think that the personal wide for me will be a little better because I'm a side tab kind of girl. So I'll stick with the personal wide. I'm kind of tempted. I feel like I didn't really give this a chance, the personal wide. I actually sold 2 of my personal wide planners already, thinking I wasn't going to use it at all. But before I think about selling this one, I think I should just give it a fair chance. I also have these from G Paperie. And these are some of the same inserts that I use in my personal now that I really like. So I really like these project list inserts. And so you have a project that you write on right up here when it's due, and then you break it down into simpler tasks when those tasks are due and mark them off when they're done or put the date when they're done. And then when your entire project is due, you can put a check mark in the box. So those are working out really well for me. I'm using them at work. And then these are daily pages. These are a day on 2 page. I've been using these, they're super nice. You have task lists here, your timed schedule, You have some space at the bottom for your hydration, your meal planning, and then you have this entire page on the other side for notes and prep. So those are really nice. And what else do we have here? Oh my, I think I did like a month. I got like 1 month, and then I bought an entire quarter after that. So yeah, I have a lot of daily pages. I think I better use these. So anyway, I just wanted to show that to you. New brand for me. I'm going to give it a shot. Gosh, I really like this though. I feel like this is going to be so nice to carry around, whereas this is going to be huge. What do you think I should do? Should I just keep using this? I think I'm going to do is use this until I have time to completely, thoroughly set this up, because, you know, it's Sunday night right now, and the chances of me getting this all set up and ready for work tomorrow are next to 0. So I'm going to take this to work because this really has all my current stuff in it. And then when I get this set up, I'm going to try it out and see how I like it. It's very pretty. But okay, so if you want to check out Notiq, it's Notiq, and there's actually a blush colored planner that's kind of in a croco print that I've had my eye on. So if I can just narrow myself down to a size, I think I'd like to pick that one up too, because I really, really like these planners. So let me know what you think, and I will talk to you again. Bye.